From lifelike humanoids to unstoppable industrial machines, these AI-powered robots are redefining what's possible. Which one will blow your mind the most? Stick around to find out. Meet Digit, a humanoid robot created by Agility Robotics. Designed to assist in homes, support disaster response efforts, and deliver packages straight to your doorstep, Digit is built for versatility. With agile limbs and a sensor-equipped torso, it can skillfully navigate complex environments and perform tasks like carrying and delivering packages. Digit is the successor to Agility's first robot, Cassie. In May 2019, Agility Robotics partnered with Ford Motor Company to combine Digit's capabilities with Ford's autonomous vehicle technology. Together, they aim to revolutionize last-mile delivery solutions, making package transport smarter and more efficient. Pepper, created by SoftBank Robotics, is the world's first social humanoid robot capable of recognizing faces and basic human emotions. With adoption by over 2,000 companies globally, Pepper excels in industries like retail and finance. The robot is highly versatile, drawing shoppers into stores, enhancing their in-store experiences, encouraging purchases, and fostering customer loyalty. Additionally, Pepper can collect and analyze valuable customer data, offering insights that help businesses better understand their audience and improve their services. Atlas. Atlas, developed by Boston Dynamics, is one of the most advanced humanoid robots in the world. Previously owned by Google and now under SoftBank, Atlas boasts cutting-edge hardware and intelligent algorithms, enabling it to quickly process and execute instructions. Standing 4.9 feet tall, weighing 176 pounds and equipped with 28 hydraulic joints, Atlas can perform astonishing feats. From traversing rough terrain and mastering parkour courses to executing backflips, its agility rivals that of a human. These remarkable capabilities make Atlas an ideal candidate for tasks like search and rescue operations and working in hazardous environments where human presence would be too dangerous. Meet Spot, a versatile robotic dog built by Boston Dynamics, designed primarily for industrial applications. Spot excels at tasks such as transporting goods in warehouses and inspecting remote or hazardous environments where human safety might be at risk. Capable of running at speeds of 5.2 feet per second, Spot is equipped with 360-degree cameras for comprehensive vision and can operate in temperatures ranging from 4 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Thanks to its adaptable API and flexible payload interface, Spot can be easily customized to handle a variety of tasks. Currently, the robot is available for lease to qualified companies, offering a reliable and innovative solution for complex industrial challenges. HRP-5P, introducing HRP-5P, an advanced humanoid robot built to operate autonomously and handle heavy tasks in hazardous environments. Developed by Japan's National Institute of Advanced Industrial Science and Technology, AIST, this robot addresses the country's growing labor shortage caused by an aging population and declining birth rates. HRP-5P is equipped with state-of-the-art environmental sensors, object recognition systems, full-body motion planning and control, as well as task execution and management capabilities. This cutting-edge robot is the result of over 20 years of humanoid robotics research at AIST, building on the legacy of 4 earlier humanoid robots that paved the way for HRP-5P's impressive capabilities. Meet Serena 4, the latest generation in the Serena humanoid robot series, developed by the University of Tehran in Iran. Standing 5.6 feet tall and weighing 154 pounds, this advanced robot can walk at a steady pace of 0.43 miles per hour. Serena 4 features significant improvements in environmental interaction and object tracking, allowing it to identify and follow objects with greater precision compared to earlier models. Its upgraded hands provide enhanced dexterity, enabling it to handle a wide range of objects, from delicate items to heavy power tools, with remarkable precision and control. Meet Aquanaut, an innovative unmanned underwater robot designed by Houston Mechatronics Inc. This cutting-edge machine can seamlessly transform from a sleek, long-range submarine into a half-humanoid robot capable of performing intricate underwater tasks. Aquanaut excels at inspecting subsea oil and gas infrastructure, operating valves, and handling specialized tools, all while functioning untethered and without the need for support vessels. In submarine mode, it can travel over 124 miles at speeds of up to 7 knots and operate at depths reaching 984 feet, making it a powerful and versatile tool for underwater operations. Stuntronic Robot. Introducing the Stuntronic Robot, an animatronic stunt performer created to dazzle audiences at Disney parks. This advanced robot blends state-of-the-art technology with untethered dynamic movement, enabling it to execute precise aerial flips, twists, and poses. Equipped with sophisticated onboard sensors, the Stuntronic robot can make real-time decisions while soaring up to 60 feet in the air. It instinctively knows when to tuck its knees for a somersault, pull its arms to execute a twist, and adjust its spin speed to ensure a flawless landing every time. Meet Handle, an agile robot designed by Boston Dynamics, built specifically for logistics and warehouse operations. Using advanced deep learning vision software, Handle can autonomously identify and locate boxes, efficiently unload trucks, and stacked or unstacked pallets. Capable of handling up to 360 boxes per hour, Handle combines speed and precision. Its long, swinging tail provides balance and counteracts the weight of heavy loads, ensuring smooth and stable movements. The robot moves quickly on 2 wheels across flat surfaces and uses its articulated legs to navigate uneven terrain, making it a versatile solution for modern supply chain tasks. From humanoids with human-like emotions to industrial robots transforming entire industries, these machines are a glimpse into the future of technology. Which robot impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more mind-blowing tech content. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and we'll see you in the next video.